Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you feed oncoming lines background in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a line. Stroke weight 34 point. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Select both lines. Go to Object menu and Blend options. Specified steps 15. Again, go to Object menu and Blend and Make. Alt Ctrl B. Go to Object menu and Expand. Select Width Profile 4. Go to Object menu and Expand Appearance. Go to Object menu and Expand. Right click and ungroup. Shift Ctrl G. Go to Object menu and transform each. Alt Shift Ctrl D. Scale horizontal 45%, vertical 15%. Options. Select random, scale stroke and effects, transform objects, transform patterns. Go to Object menu and expand. Align objects, horizontal, align left. Rotate to 90 degree. Alt and drag for duplicate shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Select shape and drag into brushes panel for make a new art brush. Draw a circle outline shape. Apply lines art brush. Go to Object menu and expand appearance. Radial grade full color. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Rotate to 45 degree. Finally, your speed coming lines background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create lines abstract background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.